All right. In this class, I'm going to show you about the hyperlinks. I'm going to show you how to create hyperlinks. You've been visiting websites, and most times you get to realize that there are some text or images which, when you click, it will point you to the other aspect of the website. It could be a certain page, it could be another website, or sometimes a section within the web page. So this is done by hyperlink, and on the screen here you can see a virtual website which I'm just putting up for this purpose. You see, welcome to eBuy, and we have home, about us, order now, contact us. So currently we are on our home page, and the aim of this lesson is to ensure that we are able to navigate to other pages. So we are going to make this become hyperlinks. These are just text. We are going to make it become hyperlinks so that each time when a user visits a website, your website, he will be able to click on whatever you're using to point to the next page, or as the case may be. Now I'm going to split this lesson into series because I want to keep it short. So you just follow me. All right, we are going to view the source code here. This is our index page. So you get to see that before now I have expected that you should create uh, everything. You should create. Okay, let's use this. I've expected that you should create everything and make it available. So already this is to imply that this implies that I have my folder, and on the folder I have all of the pages. So in this case, all of the pages are already on the folder. So I will expect you to pause this video and now create these pages. You create these pages, you save the first one as index.html, that is the home page. You open another one and save it as about.html. You open another one and save as contact.html. So you keep changing. This is our contact us page. So you keep changing like that. Open another one and so on. Have the 4 pages available. So you can just type one and you save it over and over again to have these files. All right, you pause the video and do that. Okay, once you are back, um, all right, you are back now. So we are going to see how we can convert this our text in the home page to a link. So when you want to insert a link, you use the anchor tag. The anchor tag is signified with A. So you open A and you close it in close it where you want the link to stop. Now everything that falls in between the anchor tag becomes a link. But okay, if we now go to our home page again and refresh, you'll notice there is no change. There's no change. Yeah, there's no change. Now, because we have not pointed the link to anything, so we are going to say when someone clicks on this, you use the href attribute, href hypertext reference attribute. So when someone clicks on this page, the person should now go to index.html. So once you do that, it becomes a link. See, it is now a link. So if I click, it will now take me to index.html. In that same vein, you can now open another one. Okay, we can split. I think we can split this just for purpose. Let's split. As for the home page, let's have about us. Mind you, even though we've splitted, they will still be on the same line. So I want these are just demarcations. It doesn't have any implication here. They are just demarcations. You can use anything as your own demarcation. So here now on the about us page, I'm going to say href equals to about.html. Mind you, you must have this page already within the same folder. This is it, about.html. You see we have about.html. So here now I'm gonna also add href was order.html. I have taken time to give the name so that they will be similar to what you find on the page. Have the href is equals to contacts.html. Always remember to put .html. Most young programmers make the mistake. Alright, so with that we are done. And if you visit the page, you now see that all of them are now links. Okay, so if I click on here, it will take me to the about us page. But the challenge now is that we have not created that on the about us page. And someone may think this is very tedious. Wow, it is. It's quite tedious to sit down and create a link on all of these pages. But as we proceed, I'm going to show you how you can do that with with PHP. With PHP, you can have the link as a separate file, and whenever you change the link, it will be implemented around your entire website. But for now, for the sake of these lessons, I'm just going to copy the entire link. So I will copy the entire link here, h5 to h5. I will copy the entire link and paste. I will copy this and paste in other pages. So I will just bring it here and paste here. Go to contact, paste here, go to order, paste here. So once you do that and you save, your page is complete. Have I saved? Okay, I'm gonna save all. Save all. Once you do that and save, you see, I had to make the background color. If you notice, I had to make different background colors so that we can quickly identify when the page is changed. So that is that. Look at the video very well. What I've just introduced is the hyperlink reference. In the next video, I'm gonna show you a little more about links, and we'll be talking about the target attributes. So till then.